Sheltering in Victoria is complex and costly. That's according to a new staff report heading to Victoria Council this week. From street sweeps to fences being erected on Pandora Avenue, Victoria's unhoused community has had to move around a lot, often setting up shelter in city parks. But because of bylaw changes and rising enforcement costs, the city is looking to clarify where exactly people can shelter, which parks are the most appropriate, and which should be taken off the list.
What this is doing for the city is trying to clarify a bit what our role actually is, what our authority actually is, and to provide some guidance to the public and to our staff about what their responsibilities actually are.
The staff report lays out 6 recommendations around sheltering, acknowledging the 2009 Adams court case that ruled Victoria can't prevent people from sheltering overnight. The goal is to make sure people know where they can and can't go to sleep, and when.
But it also specifies that that's only the case when there is insufficient appropriate shelter spaces available.
Another big point, Victoria wants other municipalities to stop sending unhoused people downtown to seek services, something that was brought to light after the 2024 cold snap. In the report, it says there was at least one case where a municipality in the Lower Mainland sent an unhoused person with brand new luggage and one-way tickets and told them to shelter in Victoria parks.
And their preference for the first choice is to remain where they are if they had the resources to do so. And so having essentially a central hub to where other municipalities can send people because they don't themselves have the resources is allowing them to not take responsibility.
Adding that to the city's growing cost to enforce sheltering bylaws, more than $12 million in 2023, the city says it'll take an all-hands approach to tackling the crisis.
We should not be in this alone. The province doing some work needs to do more, and our municipal colleagues need to do something.
Alto didn't say how the city could prohibit other municipalities from sending people here if that recommendation is adopted. The report is heading to council for discussion on Thursday.